Hello everyone, I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. I hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies in a proper way. So class 8 students, we are going to start our new chapter 4, playing with numbers through this video. And in this chapter, we will play with numbers. Yes, as its name suggests, we will play with numbers with different concepts. We will study the generalized form of a 2-digit and 3-digit number, reversing 2-digit or a 3-digit numbers. Then we will learn few divisibility rules and a lot of new concepts that will good for your understanding. So start our today's topic with generalized form of a 2-digit number. For example, 98. 98 can be written as 90 plus 8, because when we add 90 and 8, it will again equal to 98. And 90 can be written as 10 multiplied by 9, and 8 can be written as 1 multiplied by 8. So what we get to know, it is 10 multiplied by 9, and 9 is at tens place. So 10 multiplied by digit at tens place plus 1. 1 multiplied by 8, and 8 is our ones digit. So 1 multiplied by digit at ones place. So the generalized form of a 2-digit number is 10 multiplied by 10th digit plus 1 multiplied by 1's digit. If we have a 2-digit number AB, then AB can be written as 10 multiplied by A plus 1 multiplied by B. Similarly, we can find the generalized form of a 3-digit number. For example, if we have a 3-digit number 123, 123 can be written as 100 plus 20 plus 3, because when we will add these three numbers, we will get 123. So 100 can be written as 100 multiplied by 1, 20 can be written as 10 multiplied by 2, 3 can be written as 1 multiplied by 3. Students, what we are doing here, we are finding the expanded form of 98 and expanded form of 123 here, and then we are converting that extended form according to its face value and place value. Yes, it is 1 multiplied by place value of 1. It is 2 multiplied by place value of 2. And it is 3 multiplied by place value of 1. Here, place value of 3 is 1. Place value of 2 is 10, because 2 is written at tens place. And the place value of 1 is 100, because 1 is written at hundreds place. So it can be represented as 100 multiplied by digit at 100 place plus 10 multiplied by digit written at tens place plus 3 multiplied by digit written at ones place. Therefore, ABC, in general, if we have a 3-digit number in the form of ABC, we will write it as A multiplied by place value of A, and the place value of A is 100. So 100 multiplied by A, then plus B multiplied by place value of B, and place value of B is 10. So 10 multiplied by B plus C multiplied by 1, because the place value of C is 1. So we get to know the generalized form of a 2-digit number AB is equals to 10 multiplied by A plus 1 multiplied by B, or we can written it as AB is equals to 10A plus B. Yes, because 1 into B will be equal to B, and 10 into A can be written as 10A. By default, the operation between 10 and A is multiplication. Similarly, the generalized form of a 3-digit number is ABC is equals to 100A plus 10B plus C. It can be written as ABC is equals to 100A plus 10B plus C. Now our next topic is reversing 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. What do you understand by reversing? Reversing means to change the order of the digits. If any digit is written at the ones place, then we have to move that digit to another place. Yes, and if we are reversing a 2-digit number, we know in a 2-digit number we will find 2 digits. One will be at ones place and second will be at tens place. What we can do in order to reverse the order of the digits, we can replace their places. 4 will be written at first and 8 will written at later. So the reverse number will be 48. Yes, if we want to reverse the digits of the number 84, we can write it as 48. Initially 4 was at ones place. Now we have reversed the order of 4. Now 4 is on tens place. Initially 8 was written at tens place, but after reversing the number 8 is at ones place. This is all about reversing the digits of a number. And if we understand reversing a 2-digit number in detail, then we have to do this thing. We knows that the number of the form AB can be written as 10A plus B, and when we replace the order of the digits, AB can be written as BA after reversing. So it will be 10B plus A, because B is now at tens place, so B will multiply by 10, and A is at ones place, so A will multiply by 1. Now to find the reversing 3-digit number, yes, if we need to find the reversed 3-digit number, what we have to do? We will change the order of the digits. The digit which is written at last after reversing the number, that digit will be written at first place. Here in 123, 1 is at first place, second is at second place, 3 is at third place, or we can say 3 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, and 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, when we will reverse their order, so what we will do? Ones, tens and hundreds. Once a digit will come here we will write 3. Once a digit will come, hundreds digit will come here at ones place, 1, and 2 will remain constant. 2 will be written at its place only. So after reversing 123, we will get 321. And logically, if we want to understand the reversing of a 3-digit number, we have to write like this: ABC. A is at 100 place, so A can be written as 100 multiply A, 100A, plus B is at tens place, so B can be written as B multiply by 10 is equals to 10B, plus C is at ones place, so C multiply by 1 will be equal to C. Similarly, CBA. What we have done here? We have changed their order, and the middle one will be remain at its place. So CBA is the reversed number of ABC. Now C is at hundreds place, so 100 multiply by C, 100C, plus B is at tens place, so 10 multiply by B is 10B, and A is at ones place, so A multiply by 1 is equals to A. When we add these terms, 100C plus 10B plus A, we will get CBA. So now I am going to write 2 questions which you have to solve as your homework. Now I suggest you to take your pen and your notebook to write down the questions from the board. Yes, write down your homework in your notebook. Question number 1. Write the following in Write the following in the generalized form. A part 67, B part 96, C part 271, D part 567 and E part 967. Question number 2. Find the reversed number. Find the reversed number of the following numbers. Of the following numbers. A part 58, B part 79, C part 396, D part 462, E part 752. And students, these are very simple questions. You need not to get answers of these questions. So I hope you are understanding the two concepts which we have discussed here today: the generalized form of a 2-digit and a 3-digit number, and the reversing 2 digits and a 3 digits number. That's all for today in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to VC classes to get more updates, and please subscribe the channel.